I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
I love Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, a country located in South Asia, is home to a vibrant and diverse population. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout history, the people of Bangladesh have consistently demonstrated remarkable strength, resilience, and warmth. Their perseverance in the face of adversity and their deep-rooted cultural values make them an inspiring example of the human spirit. We will explore the positive aspects of the people of Bangladesh, shedding light on their generosity, hard work, creativity, and strong sense of community. 1. Resilience in the face of adversity. The people of Bangladesh are known for their resilience, particularly in times of hardship. Throughout their history, they have endured natural disasters, political instability, and poverty, yet they continue to stand strong. One of the most significant challenges the country faces is the frequent occurrence of natural disasters, such as floods, cyclones, and river erosion. Despite the devastating impacts of these events, the people of Bangladesh show remarkable resilience by coming together to rebuild their homes and communities. For instance, when Cyclone Amjad hit in 2020, thousands of lives were affected, and entire villages were destroyed. Yet, within weeks, local communities began to rebuild their homes and restore normalcy. The government's initiatives, along with the determination of the people, ensured that the country was able to recover relatively quickly from the disaster. The resilience shown in the face of such tragedies is a testament to the strength of the Bangladeshi people. 2. A spirit of unity and cooperation. One of the most admirable qualities of the people of Bangladesh is their strong sense of community and cooperation. In a country where poverty is still prevalent in many areas, people often rely on one another for support. Neighbors come together during times of need, whether it's helping a family rebuild their house after a flood or sharing food and resources when resources are scarce. The tradition of helping one another is deeply rooted in the culture of Bangladesh. People often gather at local community centers, mosques, or temples to support those in need. This sense of unity is particularly evident in rural areas, where people share a strong bond and are always ready to assist each other. In times of crisis, the collective spirit of the people is one of the key factors that helps communities overcome hardships. 3. Hard work and dedication. The work ethic of the people of Bangladesh is another remarkable characteristic that sets them apart. Many individuals in Bangladesh work tirelessly to support their families and improve their lives. Whether they are farmers working long hours in the fields, street vendors selling goods, or factory workers producing garments for the global market, the people of Bangladesh are known for their dedication and perseverance. Agriculture is the backbone of the Bangladeshi economy, and many people depend on farming for their livelihood. Farmers in Bangladesh work under challenging conditions, including unpredictable weather patterns and limited access to modern technology. Despite these obstacles, they remain committed to their work and continue to produce food to feed the nation. In urban areas, the labor force is diverse, and people work in various sectors such as textiles, construction, and technology. The garment industry in Bangladesh, in particular, has become one of the largest in the world, providing employment to millions of people, mostly women. The dedication of the workers in this sector has contributed significantly to the country's economic growth. 4. Rich cultural heritage. The people of Bangladesh have a deep connection to their cultural heritage. They take great pride in their history, traditions, and language. The Bengali language, which is spoken by the vast majority of the population, is an essential part of their identity. The celebration of the Bengali New Year, Pohila Boishakh, is a perfect example of how the people of Bangladesh embrace their cultural traditions. During this festival, people wear colorful clothing, prepare traditional foods, and participate in various cultural activities. It is a time for family gatherings, joyous celebrations, and the sharing of love and respect for one another. In addition to the Bengali New Year, Bangladeshis also celebrate numerous other festivals such as Durga Puja, Eid al-Fitr, and Eid al-Adha. These festivals are marked by prayers, feasts, and the exchange of gifts, all of which strengthen the bond between individuals and communities. The love for art, music, and literature is also prevalent in Bangladesh, with famous poets, musicians, and artists contributing to the country's rich cultural landscape. 5. Generosity and hospitality. The people of Bangladesh are known for their generosity and hospitality. It is not uncommon for visitors to be greeted with open arms and offered food, even by strangers. The concept of Ati Devo Bhava, the guest is God, is deeply ingrained in the culture of Bangladesh. This philosophy reflects the warm and welcoming nature of the people who view it as a moral duty to make guests feel at home. Hospitality is not limited to just visitors from abroad, it extends to neighbors, friends, and even those in need. In many cases, people are more than willing to share whatever they have, even if it means sacrificing their own comfort. This generosity and sense of community create a strong social fabric that holds society together, especially in times of crisis. 6. Strong family values. Family plays a central role in the lives of the people of Bangladesh. The family unit is highly valued, and strong bonds are formed between parents, children, and extended family members. It is common for multiple generations to live together in the same household, with grandparents, parents, and children sharing space and responsibilities. This close-knit family structure fosters a sense of security, love, and mutual support. The respect for elders is an important aspect of Bangladeshi culture. Elders are treated with great reverence, and their wisdom and guidance are highly valued. In return, elders often play an active role in the upbringing of their grandchildren, passing down cultural traditions, values, and life lessons. The bond between family members is a source of strength and support for individuals, and it contributes to the overall well-being of society. 7. Political engagement and activism. The people of Bangladesh are politically engaged and actively participate in the democratic process. Despite the challenges faced by the country, including political instability and corruption, the people continue to strive for progress and positive change. Over the years, Bangladesh has witnessed significant social and political movements, with citizens demanding justice, equality, and human rights. One of the most notable instances of political activism in Bangladesh's history is the 1971 Liberation War, when the people of Bangladesh fought for their independence from Pakistan. The war was a pivotal moment in the nation's history, and it shaped the identity of the country and its people. Since then, the people of Bangladesh have continued to advocate for social change, gender equality, and political reforms. The youth of Bangladesh, in particular, have become increasingly vocal in recent years, using social media platforms to raise awareness about various social and political issues. Their activism has brought attention to issues such as climate change, education, and workers' rights, demonstrating the growing desire for progress among the younger generation. In conclusion, the people of Bangladesh are a remarkable example of resilience, generosity, and hard work. They have faced numerous challenges throughout their history, yet they continue to persevere and thrive. The strong sense of community, family values, and cultural pride are the pillars that support the social fabric of the nation. The people of Bangladesh are not only survivors but also dreamers, creators, and advocates for a better future. Their warmth, hospitality, and dedication to improving their lives and the lives of others are qualities that make them stand out on the world stage. As I continue to explore the rich culture and vibrant life of, how do you think I can better capture the essence of Bangladesh in my videos? What aspects of the country's people and culture would you like to see highlighted? Your feedback will help me bring more authentic and insightful content to share with the world.